Hi, my name is Mark Mansour, and today we are going to learn how to install our environment for EPiServer development. We're going to need three softwares to be able to develop in EPiServer. We're going to need the Visual Studio 2019 community version. So I'm going to press down here, and you don't need to worry, I'm going to link each link in the description below. So press down here, free download. Now we'll get the download down here. And now we're going to adapt Visual Studio to our needs. So we're going to press continue here. Then we're going to let Visual Studio know what we need. We need ASP.NET and web development. So press here. And we need data storage and processing. Don't actually need Azure data. Now, if you're not signed into Visual Studio, you're going to need to sign in first before you get here. But we're done installing Visual Studio for now, so we're just going to close this down. We're going to close the installer as well. And we're going to go and install SQL Server Management Studio version 18. Just press the button down here. We're going to install it in our C directory. Press install. Alright, now we have installed SQL Server Management Studio. I'm going to close this. And we are going to log in to SQL Server Management Studio. So you need to type the exact thing I am typing. It's going to be a local server. So this is what you need to type. If it's not already here, you need to type this. So you need to type this the exact way it's written right now. And this is later on going to be used in your data source. So we're going to press connect. And it's going to work. Now we're inside the database. We're going to be able to see our databases down here. Now we can shut this down. Now we have a final installation to make, and it's a small one. It's the EPiServer extension for Visual Studio, so I'm going to press download here. Then I'm going to run. And I'm going to press install. Alright, now we have the extension. Now we have all the three components that we need to be able to work with EPiServer. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Please, if you like it, subscribe. And see you in the next video when we will be developing in EPiServer.